Hey guys, so today I want to show you a little script that I wrote. Um, just let me start the Pomodoro for this video. Yeah, okay. So we keep track of the time we spend here, alright? So, recently I have been into RX Rob. Yeah, X RXY Rob. Yeah, I think this is his nickname. So I stole all his dot files and I'm learning a lot. He's a Bash veteran. He also codes in Go. Dude's really good. Learning a lot. All his content is for free. He won't sell you anything, just give you knowledge basically. So he has a little script that you can search things like you would in DuckDuckGo through the command line. So search me. Okay, let's try this. And it opens in a browser called Lynx, which is really fast, and it's a text-based browser. So it's really good to search through a page, copy and paste stuff. What is also good is that everything, all the text is always with the same coding colors, so here we have blue, here we have red, and hyperlinks will be this greenish color, and so on. This maybe be a italic. It actually renders as blue, or a quote, I don't know exactly, but you got the idea. And what this script does, actually, let's go through it. Here is his script, which is called duck, and he made an alias to type. He made an alias to quote mark to call duck. So because you are searching through DuckDuckGo, but you are using the Lynx browser. So basically, what does the heavy lifting here is this function which encode your search, which is what you type, like search me, this part will be encoded and put in a HTTP request to DuckDuckGo, basically. And you send that to the Lynx browser and you will have your website search. Okay, I searched for a encoder for and the point is the encoder URL encoder is pretty hard to program actually. He also copied this command, as we can see here. He literally comments it. Yeah, I totally stole this from Stack Exchange. No shame at all. Really hard. This is done in Bash, of course, as you can see, but the one I found for YouTube was written in Python. So in the Bing, and we have Python. Okay, search. We call two libraries. One, the system, which provides us a way to get an input from the command line. So just like you would pipe with bash, or I don't know, yeah. So yeah, you send an input and pipe it, and here you are automatically you get this behavior in bash, right? This is a way to invert the syntax like this. So it would be like a function call, right? If you are familiar with functional languages like this, right? It's just pseudo code. It's not true code. Just to give you the idea, right? So you have a input. Oh, damn. So okay, that works also. So you have an input and you have a function. So a function and an input, and you get a function call, right? So this is how bash does it, right? Okay, whatever. So if you want to use a Python program to receive an input as a script, you have to import system, and you can call system.in, which would be the input, and you read this input. Okay, I transform it into a string because if I have spaces, the whole thing becomes a string, and that is handled automatically by transforming that in a string. Then we use the urlib parse, which is the URL encoder, and basically the type of encoding that YouTube does is the quote plus in this library, right? It's the plus thing. So we can like call this function to understand better what I'm saying. So let's do this. So Python lib local bin YouTube search, right? And we pipe duck into DuckDuckGo into this program, right? So here I also inputted the URL, so but we can comment that and just output the encode to understand better what I'm saying. So this is the standard encoding for YouTube, but we have to give a base URL so things work nicely, just like we did first time. So now if we give this whole command a application that reads the YouTube URL and spawns like YouTube itself. In our case, I'll use FreeTube. We can search directly that result in FreeTube. There you go, DuckDuckGo. Just search that. So what I'm doing here in the script that I initially wanted to show you, it's called SYT, which stands for Search YouTube. or your tube, I don't know, whatever tube you use to watch things. So let's call this command. So this will use the Python script I just showed you, and simple as what we done in the terminal. We get search YouTube .go. Difference, I used uppercase here, but I hope the search is the same. Yeah, basically the same, right? So that's it. We just made a script to, in a fast manner, search FreeTube. I hope you liked it. We are already 12 minutes in the video. And that's it. See you next time. If you want to learn more about scripts like this, leave a comment below and click the like button. See you.